friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health, you all are good and having a good time. Today we have a new topic and again a very special one. It's Independence Day, this 15th August Sunday. A very proud moment for all of us here in India. So we are going to draw an Independence Day poster drawing. I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. And do not forget to hear the fun facts coming your way also. Fact number 1. Independence Day in India is celebrated every 15th August. Every year 15th August. For over many years, India was under control of British rule, and after getting the freedom, it was declared as an independent India on 15th August 1947. Fact number 2. Rabindranath Tagore originally composed Jana Gana Mana, that is India's national anthem, in Bengali as Bharat Bhagyo Vidhata on December 27, 1911. It was first publicly sung at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. Fact number 3. Jana Gana Mana was first termed as the national anthem by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose during the meeting of the German Indian Society on September 11, 1942. And fact number 4. Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah, who was a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh. The first Indian flag was hoisted on August 7, 1906 at Parsi Bagan Square in Calcutta. It consisted of 3 horizontal strips of green, yellow and red. And now the last one, fact number 5. The Indian national flag is manufactured and supplied from only one place in the country. The Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Samyukta Sangha, located in Dharwad, Karnataka, has the authority to manufacture and supply the Indian flag. According to the Bureau of Indian Standards, the national flag is manufactured only with the hand-spun and hand-woven cotton khadi bunting. So my cute angels, this was all the facts on Independence Day and Independence Day drawing also. So my little buddies, you know, thousands of people, freedom fighters, our leaders lost their lives and then we got this freedom. So we should always honor and respect the sacrifices of national heroes and soldiers. And you all, our little angels, make the future of India. Your love for India, your actions will define how bright the future will be. So, here's sending best wishes to the future generation of India on this Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. So till we meet next week with a new topic, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.